Hi guys. So, wow, what's been going on? Well, I'm fixing to show you part of what's going on. As many of y'all know, those that have been watching me for a long time, I had a beautiful time setting up the nursery, the reborn baby nursery. It took me I guess about 3 years to complete, and it still wasn't completed. There's always extra stuff you'd like to do. So without further ado, I want to show y'all what has been done to the nursery. And disclaimer, an 18-year-old lives in this room, so excuse the mess. It's quite funny, actually. She's at work, so I get to do this now. But anyways, this is the nursery, guys. And I was really quite upset about it. So I was really quite upset about it at first, not like mad or anything. I'm gonna close the door. But just, y'all know that was a lot of work. This furniture, actually this one was done by her and and I did that one that's catty cornered in the corner there. And I did that little one that the lamp is on. So this is the nursery. Let me show y'all. Remember my closet? If you look back on my nursery tour video, you'll get to see what my closet used to look like. And this is the closet now. Pretty shocking, huh? So what does this mean? Well, I was so emotionally drained about it, and we've been really busy. The Halloween party was a blast. I barely had a chance to take pictures, let alone a video. There was a lot of people here, and so I was kind of here, there, and everywhere. So I enjoyed some pictures that others took, but that was about it. So what does this mean? I'm rambling. Well, I'll tell y'all, I thought long and hard about just quitting the hobby. I was like, how do I start over again? There is not another bedroom. We have the big, huge back room. I'll show y'all. This is the big back room. As you can see, it is an utter mess right now because everything from the nursery was in a huge pile on top of the ottoman. That couch was covered. This couch was covered. So I have been very, 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 very busy, to say the least. I've been slowly putting stuff up and trying to find a new way to organize all their clothes and everything. And it's not going to be easy. So, anyways, I am rambling so bad just because I'm venting to y'all in a way. But what I was going to say is, yes, I did think about just dropping everything. I was like, how am I going to start over? I can't make this huge back room just a nursery, and that's where I went to on the subject of the back room. But I can't not start over. It's just, I can't explain it. Yes, it was a lot of work in that nursery, but you have to do what's right. And she told me, my niece, who is 18, told me that she was lonely in this big room. She had it set up kind of like an apartment. This room is huge. I believe it's 1,100 square feet. So, and it has its own, there's the baby's bathroom. And so anyways, I've got something planned. I mean, everything. It is such a mess. This is what I have planned. This is from the office. And it's actually, I got it, ooh, almost tripped on something. I got it turned around. Oh, it's so dusty. Oh my gosh, that's horrible, Nicole. Woo! That's one thing I need to do is clean. So, anyways, guys, I'm starting from scratch. I'm not starting from scratch with the babies, but I am starting from scratch with my nursery. I have no dressers because she needed them for her clothes, because this closet where that door is a huge closet. And so everything in this armoire, everything fit in there. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to leave that a surprise. I've been working on it. I've been finding ways of dealing with a small space, and we're going to leave it at that. So the next video, I will show y'all what's going on and what babies do I have left. We still got Tristan, and he is going to Las Vegas soon. Anyways, guys, it's a lot of information. It's a lot of information for me to process and talk about. Anyways, it's a lot of information to talk about on video, because as many videos as I've done, I still get a little video shy. But I'm holding Mr. Connor here, and it doesn't want to focus on him. I put him in little foxies. So, anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to share with y'all. And I don't know why it's not focusing on him. But I will start over again. You know, I had a YouTube way back several years ago now. Let me lay him down. And it got hacked. And, oh, this is a pile of stuff I'm going to donate. Anyways, it got hacked. And I had to start from scratch. And I did. And I got a lot of the people back that used to watch me. And that's all there is to be thankful for. And so I'll have my nursery back. It may not be as big or whatever, but I'm going to make do. And you've seen what I can do in a larger space that the nursery was in. And you'll see what I'm going to do dealing with what I have to deal with now. So anyways, I hope y'all are all well. And I can't wait to reveal it to y'all. I can't wait to be done. And hopefully soon. So I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care. God bless and love you all.